Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today it's super duper hot. So I'm sorry I bounced my video camera, but so I am going to do a Dutch pour. I figured, you know, that calls for a little bit thinner paints, and since it's so hot, all my paints are a little thin. So I did mix these up. I can't tell you what the colors are because I mixed a bunch of different colors together. But I have a blue, a purple, a red, and a gold. And I have a, it's like a mint green that I'm going to put down for the background. So I'm going with some crazy colors. Just wanted to get a little wild with it. So I'm going to play some music, and I'm going to let you guys watch.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just, ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just, ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just, ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like, oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Don't wanna be like, oh. Don't wanna act like, oh, 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 oh. what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Hey, could be us, but hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna bring this up and I will bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Hopefully you can see it okay. I'm kind of in the little bit in the dark over here. I'm trying to stay out of the shade. Or out of the sun. I think she turned out really pretty. It like feels like 103 outside, so I'm not complaining how this turned out. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I think she's really pretty. Alright guys, don't forget this weekend we have the Fluid Art Express on Sunday in America and Monday morning in Australia. Me and Shannon Baxman from ShanB Fluid Art did 2 videos together, one on her channel and one on mine. So you really need to make this one. We're crazy. It was a lot of fun. So come check it out this weekend, and I will just see you guys later. I hope you have a great day or great night. Love you guys to pieces, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.